the voice of honest trailers.
Hello.
Frollard.
All right.
Imitation Gaming. Greetings, gamers. We're going to play a game that my voice is actually in, Demons with Shotguns. And appropriately, I wore my Ripped Apparel Gargoyles t-shirt. Because let's face it, get it? Faith. Because let's face it, Goliath looks like a demon. Man boobs. Let's play some Demons with Shotguns. End of times. Angel, Nun, Deceiver, Death. Demon. This looks like Goliath, minus the hair. Demon. Hardcore. Sounds like me. Alright, so I'm not very good at this game. Right now, this is not available for multiplayer, only local. Multiplayer up to 4 people, or versus 1-on-1 if you have 2 people in the same room, but they're working on that. And you can get this on Steam for $7.99, and you can hear my voice. I always wanted to be that narrator, the headshot double kill. And I finally get to do that. Yay! Here we go. You got double jumps. Ah, man! Got tag teamed. Bronx, why would you do this to me? Get back here, puppy. Dang it! Can't get down there. Gotcha. Got 2 of them. Now I'm spawn. Oh, dang it! There's too many of them. Dang it!
Come on, just scream like a girl. Do it like this.
Can't touch them. I would like to make it past level 1. That would be great. Yeah! Yes! 3 in a row. Triple kill. Boost. Yes! Yes! I made it to wave 2 on hard. Oh, crap. Darn you, zombies. I am dead. I am dead. Hardcore is tough.
Hardcore.
Anyways, this is a really fun game you can play. You can get it on Steam for $7.99. Thank you so much for hanging out. We are Defenders of the Night. We are gargoyles. To be betrayed by the very humans we had sworn to protect. This is Imitation Gaming, and don't you forget it. If you like this video, share it and click subscribe. Click here for more Imitation Gaming videos. Click here for more epic voice reviews.